What is up guys, back again with another one, and this time we're going to talk about the new Dodge electric vehicle. Now, we do know that Dodge are doing away with the Charger and the Challenger, at least the gas-powered ones, and so this is supposed to be, in quotes, the future of electrified muscle. But without further ado, let's start up the video. So we know that in 2023, the Dodge Charger and Dodge Challengers are going away essentially for good. We could be seeing a potential replacement, which is this concept right here. Initially, it was made to seem as if Dodge was doing away with all their Chargers and Challengers forever for good, and there wasn't going to be a replacement. But it seems like this is actually going to take its place. This car is rumored to be faster than a Hellcat, which is insane. And that's due to the fact that we're going to be likely expecting an 800 volt powered vehicle. Now, that's essentially double most average electric vehicles on the road right now. As far as the overall features of this vehicle, it will be all-wheel drive as opposed to rear-wheel drive like the predecessors. In addition to that, we're looking at a new logo. We're looking at headlights, which are kind of interesting because it also allows a certain level of aerodynamics, which I naturally wouldn't put together with an American muscle car. You think of muscle, you think of like really block and like square corners and just insane amounts of power in a straight line, but you don't really think of handling and aerodynamics as much. So they're sort of taking what we know as the Dodge Charger and sort of just taking it in a bit of a different route while still keeping a lot of the core same values, if you will. And as far as the exhaust sound, it's definitely different. It sounds cool. I don't know if it's something that I naturally compare or associate with a gas-powered vehicle. It sounds cool though. I would rather drive it probably with a silent mode if that exists on the vehicle. But here's what it sounds like. And with that bombshell, this ends the video for today. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. I've been watching a bit too much Top Gear. If you guys know, then you know. With that bombshell, it's such a weird way to end the video. However, if you guys enjoyed the video, leave a like, leave a comment, subscribe. You know how that all goes, the algorithm and whatnot. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.